Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to upload a Facebook cover photo, updated for 2025. Whether you're refreshing your profile or setting it up for the first time, we'll walk you through the steps to get it done in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal timeline, where you can make changes to your cover photo. Next, locate the cover photo area at the top of your profile. If you already have a cover photo, it will be displayed here. Tap on this area, and you'll see an option to update or change your cover photo. Select Upload Photo from the menu that appears. Now, choose the photo you'd like to use as your new cover image. You can select one from your device's gallery or camera roll. Make sure the image is high quality and fits well within Facebook's recommended dimensions for optimal display. Once you've selected your photo, you'll have the option to adjust and position it. Drag the image up, down, or sideways until it looks just right. This step ensures that the most important parts of your photo are visible and centered. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. Your new cover photo will be uploaded and displayed on your profile for all visitors to see. It's that simple. And there you have it, a brand new Facebook cover photo in just a few easy steps. Keep in mind that a great cover photo can leave a lasting impression, so choose one that reflects your personality or message effectively. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.